Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Nissan Altima. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a funnel. Remember, safety is paramount. Always use jack stands to securely support your vehicle before working underneath it. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, which is usually at the bottom of the engine. Place your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for proper maintenance. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, turning it counterclockwise. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until snug, then securely reinstall the drain plug with your wrench. Do not over-tighten. Finally, let's add the fresh engine oil. Refer to your Nissan Altima's owner's manual to confirm the precise oil type and the exact capacity, which is typically around 4 7/8 quarts. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After adding, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding small amounts until it reaches the full mark. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.